Hey guys, it's Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? I know I'm looking a little bit crazy right now, just had my eyes done. But the reason why is because I have a review for you guys on this sponge right here that has been all the Ronaldo that has been all the hype lately. So let's go ahead and just talk about it. So the brand is called StansOut Beauty, and they just are selling makeup sponges right now. And what makes this makeup sponge so like special, you would say, is because it's supposed to be kind of like a memory foam type of feel. This retails, I don't know if I already said it already, but for $20, and it's free shipping anywhere in the US, which is really, really cool. You can just buy them on their website, and I believe they also have it in Amazon. So let me just open it up. Oh, by the way that I found out about this is by Tati. If you guys don't follow her on YouTube or subscribe to her channel, like, what are you doing? I'll go ahead and I'll link her video down below. But this is the first time that I take out of the package. Like, I've been wanting to try it, but I was like, no, wait until I film. So this is the makeup sponge. This is what it looks like. It looks so interesting and different, and I don't know why it feels a little bit like if it was moist, but it's not. Like it's such a weird feeling to have this, and especially the shape of it. Like it's like it does feel literally like a memory foam pillow. But let me show you guys the difference. So this is the Morphe Sponge right here, and when I touch it, it just bounces back right away. I'm sorry, my camera's gonna have a hard time focusing. Versus this one, like, look, it's just, I could do this all day. This feels very interesting. But this is the Morphe one, and I'm sorry that my stuff is dirty, but whatevs. This is the Beauty Blender one. Look at how small it is when it's like dry. Versus how big this one is. Let me see which one is bigger from these two. They're about the same, it's just the shape is very different. Wide, this one's wider. And here's the difference between my Real Techniques one. I know they're so dirty, but oh well. Very different. This feels so different and like nice in your hand. Like I can do this literally all day. So with this one, let me go ahead and just read really quickly the description. So in their description, it says that it's a multi-functional blending sponge designed to apply a streak-free airbrush finish to your complexion. I can't speak. I can't even read. Technologically designed to react with the warmth of your skin to reach optimal softness. Water is not required, but the StansOut Beauty Sponge can be used damp if preferred. Now, because I knew that I was going to be reviewing this, and technically most people I've been seeing the videos, I only watched Tati's like actual review, but I've been seeing like the StansOut their Instagram, because they post reviews and things like that, how they've been using it like just dry. So I said, let me go ahead and try out like my Morphe sponge, and let me try my Beauty Blender and the Real Technique sponge dry, just so that I can see if it actually feels different and so on. So, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using my Too Faced foundation, and I'm going to be using the Revolution foundation as my concealer, and then I'm going to be contouring with the Anastasia cream, and I'm also going to be applying the powder. So here it says to use the round side. So it says use the large rounded side for pressing and rolling foundation and other cream products into the large areas of the face, such as the cheeks, the forehead, and the chin. And then the triangular side, which I believe are this here. Use the triangular sides for applying concealer and powder in the under eye area. Use the flat side for perfecting and sculpting your contour under the cheekbones, along the nose, and along the jawline. So let's go ahead and get started. So with this side, I'm going to go ahead and just blend out my foundation. That's looking good. And it doesn't feel like disgusting on your face, because you know most of us are used to using like the beauty the beauty blender wet, so you're used to having that like that damp feeling. But this one, even though it's like dry, it looks really good, and I feel like I'm blending out my foundation a little faster than I would normally with the other sponges. I will say though, that thing has like a little bit of a scent, but not really anything crazy. There. My foundation is done. I will say this is, I take a really long time to apply my foundation for some reason, and look at it, it didn't really absorb that much of my foundation. Like, look. My skin looks pretty good, too. Like, I don't have any, because if you see, it seems like it has a little bit of texture on here, but really, like, it didn't give me any texture on my skin. Okay, let's move on to my concealer. So I went ahead and I applied my concealer underneath the eyes, and also I'm highlighting the areas of my face. So I'm assuming this is the triangle side, right? Or is it this? I'm so confused. I mean, this would literally be the triangle side. This here. I'm sorry, I'm like really slow. But I think, yeah, this would be the triangle side. This would be the flat side. So with this, I'm going to just go underneath the eyes and blend this out. This is going on so nice. You need to cut it. Like, this would even clean up your eyeshadow. Do your thing, boo-boo. Look at it. I cleaned up my eyeshadow like perfectly. It looks so good. So lately, my skin has been like acting up. And around this area of my face, well, lips, I've been very, very dry and it looks disgusting. And right now, it doesn't look bad. So I don't know if it's the application, whether it be like me using these sponges here or me using a regular just foundation brush. But right now, so far, it's looking really, really good. So I went ahead and I applied my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour shade. So we're going to go ahead and just start blending. I'm using the flat side to blend this in. And it's actually not looking patchy. Because I've told you guys, I've been trying out these sponges over here with them being wet and dry, blending out my contour and things like that. And it will leave it like patchy, and I hate that. Because then, like, it breaks up, like, between the cream and, like, liquid for some reason. It's very weird, but right now it's blending out like a dream. So nice, so easy. It's just, I was shook. At first I was like, maybe people are just, like, you know, overdoing it. They're overhyping it. It's just going to be whatever. But I'm actually really impressed with the way that everything is blending out. And I feel like I feel like I'm doing everything way faster than I normally am. And I feel like, you know what, I'm gonna have to go buy some more before they, you know, get too popular, and then I'm not gonna be able to get more. Right now, this is all I have in my sponge from the contour side. Usually it would be like all messed up and like soaked in on the other sponges. So alright, do your thing. Let's go ahead and powder this face. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Loose Powder. And I'm just going to put that on the lid of the product. And then I'm going to use the sponge. But right now, you guys, I'm telling you, I am so impressed with the way everything is looking. I'm just so happy. Because, like, I do really enjoy cream contouring. But I hate the blending. Like, whenever I've tried it with the sponge or whenever I tried it with a brush, I feel like I tend to get like some breakout. By making breakout is like it breaks up between like my cheeks around this area. I would have like some weird fading situation, but right now it's looking pretty good. So I'm like so happy about that. But okay, so I believe this is the side that I use to go underneath the eye. So I'm just going to go underneath the eye one more time so that I can not have any creasing. And then we're going to apply the powder. So I really like the shape of this because this is like literally going exactly where you need it to go. Exactly where you need it to go, which is so good. Look, I couldn't even like cut that contour right there too. I'm an oily girl, so like I need to set my whole face with powder. Well guys, I finished up my makeup, and let me just tell you guys that I am very happy with the way that my foundation, my concealer, my contour, my whole just face makeup right now is looking so good. I haven't seen my face makeup like this in a while. Like I've been complaining about how my skin is just like not doing its thing, but right now like it looks so so good. So I'm sorry, I'm just keep looking at myself over here in the monitor because like my foundation looks just so good. I applied my contour so good. Like the powders that went over were really good too. Like everything is just, my whole look right now is looking really, really good. I'm so happy. I definitely recommend this sponge for you guys. Like, you guys will not understand how good this is unless you guys go ahead and purchase it. So go ahead and purchase it. I'll put the link down below in my description box. It's just $20, and trust me, it will change the game of your makeup skills. 100. People can be like, damn, girl, your face be looking so flawless. You just say, yeah, it's just my skin. It looks really amazing. But honestly, it's your skin plus this beautiful, well, it's not that it's beautiful, but this amazing sponge here that's going to do so much justice to your makeup game. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below, let me know, do you guys own this? Are you thinking about getting it? What are your thoughts on it? Did I convince you to get it? Comment down below, I'd love to interact with you guys. Also check out the rest of my videos. I have more makeup reviews, makeup tutorials. I also have plus size fashion videos, so make sure to check that out. You're more than welcome to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat for behind the scenes of videos, and that way you guys can get an idea of what I'll be uploading next. You don't have to, but it'll be great if you did. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.